Hello, welcome to Josh's Recordings, where today we are looking at repairing a Briggs & Stratton 8 horsepower engine. The problem with this engine is that it has a bad head gasket. So you're going to need a few things, and I apologize for the road noise and everything. We're out here near the road. You're going to need a few things. One of those things is obviously a new head gasket. So we'll move that for a second. We're going to need a ratchet set and a torque wrench. I've already removed the spark plug, as you can probably see. Move that aside. And let's get to assembling this head. Looks like we have half-inch, yes, half-inch bolts. Alright, now that we got this thing apart, you can tell there's quite a bit of carbon buildup on this engine. Just not a good sign. But you can also see the old head gasket in there. Doesn't look too great. But yeah, that doesn't look too great either. You can see the piston down in there. Focus. There we go. You can see there, if I pull up on the rope, you'll be able to see the piston and the valves. And that's how these engines work. Is with those two valves and that piston. Alright, so we're not running out of light, unfortunately, because I had to charge the camera battery again. But as you can see, for the most part, we got most of the carbon buildup off of the engine, which is a good thing. You always want to do that. The torque specs on the head are 220 inch-pounds. So we're gonna have to torque those down in a crisscross pattern to avoid bad things. No, seriously though, to avoid warping the heads. Warping heads is very bad and will cause your engine not to run right at all. Probably worse than it did before you just replaced the bad head. So we're gonna take the new head gasket out of the packaging. And with the small amount of light we have left, we'll place it over all the screws where it goes. As you can see, I cleaned all of this very well. And you're gonna want to do that. If you do not clean your engine up like this, and you put these two surfaces together, you're gonna have problems where the engine and the head gasket surface do not mount well together. Now, it's just a fact of setting our torque wrench, 220 inch-pounds, and tightening all these heads, all the screws back down. So, get out your half-inch socket, and let's do this. Hot.